Friends, my name is Harmandeep Singh and I have created this channel to teach you all about God and spirituality. Today is my topic that why we should not eat and kill animals. God have created this earth and God have also created the law of karma for all of us, for human race also. If we will do bad with any living being, if we will do good with any living being, our good and bad karmas will give us good and bad results in our life. Actually, the difference between our body and the body of animals are a little bit different. Our body, human body, is made with 5 elements: fire, earth, sky, water, and water, earth, sky, and water, earth, sky, fire. In Hindi, I think they say Agni, and air also. Yeah, air. So these 5 elements our body is made by these 5 elements. So the animals are the body of animals are made by some 3 elements or 2 elements. Like snakes are made by 2 elements, fire and earth, and plants are made by 2 elements, water and earth, and birds are made by also 2 elements, I think, air and earth. So the difference between us and the animals is only our physical body. The soul is breathing inside our body, and the soul is also breathing inside the body of animals. The soul is part of Supreme Soul. Supreme Soul mean God. When God was alone, He created this universe and earth. So He sent souls on the earth in form of animals and also in form of ghost, jinn, and humans. So we have get this human body after the reincarnation cycle of 8.4 million species. We was also animals in our previous life. Our soul was breathing inside the body of 8.4 million species animals. So when we completed our reincarnation cycle, when our soul completed the reincarnation cycle into 8.4 million species into the body of 8.4 million species, after that reincarnation cycle of 8.4 million species for billion years, our soul get this human body. So God has made the rule of karma for every human on this earth. If we will kill and eat animals, God will punish us for our sins and our bad karmas. Killing and eating animals is a sin in the eye of God. So after a few months or after a few years or in the next life, we will get killed by same way by the way we kill animals. So this is how we will punished by God for our bad karmas and sins. So God will also punish us financially. God will also punish us financially Like if we are doing a business, we will get loss into our business because of our sins and bad karmas. We will not get success if we will not stop doing sins and our bad karmas. And we will also get punished by God with the diseases and accidents in form of bad karmas. So that's why if you want to get relief from pain, and you do not want to invite pains in your life, so you should not eat animals and kill animals. God gave us this human body to connect with God. Until our third eye is not open, we cannot get freedom from reincarnation cycle. Reincarnation cycle means death and birth cycle. So if we will not join the company of a saint who will open our third eye, until our third eye is not open, we cannot our soul cannot come outside from our body and reach to the court of the God. Our soul destination is court of God. Only a perfect real saint like Jesus Christ and Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji can help our soul to reach into the court of God. Until our soul do not reach into the court of God, our soul will stay on the earth in the reincarnation cycle. After our this body will die, our soul will get a new body again into new physical body. It depends on our karma how type of body we will get. If our karmas are, our sins are too much bad and dirty, God will punish us again for our sins into reincarnation cycle of 8.4 million species. So our soul will die and born again into 8.4 million species for a billion years, and then we will have to wait again to get this human body in the next life. So until we do not get this human body again, we will not be able to get freedom from death and birth cycle for billion years. God gives us this human body to get freedom from death and birth cycle and get the freedom from good and bad karma chains. Our mind is corrupted by five enemies: love, calm means lust, krodh means anger, and lobh means greed, attachment, love, and ego. So because of these five energies, we humans always do sins and bad karmas, and we always get punished by God for our sins because our mind is corrupted by these five energies. Until our third eye is not open with the help of true saint like Jesus Christ or Guru Nanak Dev Ji, we cannot get freedom from these five energies: lust, aggression, greed, ego, and greed. So until our third eye is not open, we cannot stop doing sins. So a real saint will open our third eye, we will get freedom from these five energies, and we will stop doing sins. And when our he will open our third eye, he will remove our soul outside from our body through the third eye, and he will take our soul into the court of Lord. The court of the Lord is our real destination. Until our soul do not reach to the court of the Lord, I have already told you that we cannot get freedom from our pains, and we cannot get freedom from our reincarnation cycle on earth. Our soul will also get punished into hells for our sins. So guys, I will meet you again in the next video with a new topic about God and spirituality. So you can also watch my other all videos on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel if you enjoy my videos, and you can also share my videos with your friends and family. If you do not want to subscribe, if you do not want to share my videos, it's okay. So thank you guys, I will meet you again. Till then, goodbye, take care, God bless you all. Thank you very much.